there are flashes throughout the Old, when the prophets of God would reveal this revelation to the people. Just flashes. When a prophet would heal a Gentile, when a prophet would do a miracle for a group of Gentiles, when a prophet would do a kind of amazing thing in the presence of Gentiles or for Gentiles, but just flashes. There are flashes in the Old Testament, like in the story of Joshua, when the woman from Jericho hid the spies, and she becomes a part of. She not only is rescued by Israel, but becomes a part of Jesus' family tree. Okay, they're just flashes, but other than those flashes, the whole of the Old Testament is a Jewish story. It's a story about a Jewish family and their relationship with God. Until Epiphany and the coming of the wise men. When suddenly those flashes tear open the fabric of space and time and spirituality, those flashes suddenly become bold and in your face, that God tears open the barriers that kept people out and invites the world in. It's that moment when God says, how about you? How about you? Even if you're not Jewish, won't you be a part of my family? Praise God. Have a great week, everybody.